You want to create YouTube video but you do not want to show your face. So how to gain subscriber if the viewer never see you? Wow, in this video I'm going to show you there's a few ways to do that. Hi, nice that you have dropped by to Tiny Creature Hub. I'm Kim Si. This video is all about becoming a better YouTuber for me and you. Please click the subscribe button so you won't miss any video that I make. Now, you want to create video for YouTube and also hope to gain some subscribers, but you do not want the viewer to know who you are. Maybe because you are too shy and not comfortable facing the camera. When I started creating videos, I only type in the words in the editing software to ask for viewer to subscribe. It took me quite some time to show my face, and until now, I still do not get used to it. And it's okay to not showing your face. Many famous YouTubers have done it before. And to gain subscriber, you need patience. It don't happen in a day. But you'll be very happy if someone has subscribed your channel. So how to ask for subscribe if you do not show your face? Here is how to do it. Number 1. You can input your call to action before you start your video in an editing software. Using an editing software or apps like Shop or Filmora Go and type in the call to action. Here is an example. This is a Filmora Go apps. It's free. You can download it and you can use this to type in the wording for your viewer to subscribe to your channel. It's very easy. Just type in please subscribe to my channel, thank you, and give some effects, and that is all done like that. Very easy. Okay, then you can choose your fonts. I choose the hypertical and choose a bright color so everyone can see it. It's done. Give it a animation, some animation, blinking or whatever.
哇，很多嘞！他们在吃那个人在割草哦，他们在吃那个 insect 哦。啊，这样多鸟。
Number 2. You can put a link in your description to call the viewer to subscribe. Check out my description for example. When the viewer click on the link in the description, it will bring in to the subscribe channel. With this link in the description, you will have more chance of subscriber. Make full use of the description corner. Number 3. Create a branding watermark for your video. To create a branding watermark, just go to your creative studio in YouTube, then click the channel, click blending, and add a subscribe image in your video. Once you create it, it will be in all of your videos when you upload it. Number 4. Do a voiceover using your smartphone or a microphone. Ask the viewer to subscribe using your voice only. Here is an example. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Number 5. Use a text-to-speak apps to do the call to action for your video. I use an app called Narrator Voice. It's so easy. Just type in the words and the apps will speak out for you. And you can also choose the voice you want. Here's an example.
Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
With these 5 awesome tips, you will gain subscriber eventually. Do share my video if it helps you in any way. If you have a better way to gain subscriber, do leave a comment below. And subscribe my channel if you have not. Be kind to animal. Bye bye.